This August House. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to speak in honor of my friend. I call Mr. LACAMBEL my friend. Mr. LACAMBEL, as he was working on radio, he could not in any single day recognize persons with disabilities. He used to call them friends, his friends. To the extent of one day, he happened to organize a party for persons with disabilities. And that is the day that has remained in the mind of persons with disabilities. When we draw towards the festival seasons, you hear parties being organized for different categories of people: children, elderly, women, all that. But persons with disabilities, they are left out. He happened to organize it together with the elderly. But then, the person with disability requested him that there should be separate. And I think when he forwarded the information to the management, I think he was not granted that. So I would request for these people who are consuming our deliberation, whoever is willing, social life is very important. Right now we have heard government has already pronounced itself that there will be no budget supporting social function, official social function. But as a community, such gathering brings healings. It's also a cause of peacemaking. The second request is to the radio station, Mega FM, where Mr. LACAMBEL used to work. When we look around at all the radio stations we have in our region, or could be in Gulu City, Mega FM is inaccessible to persons with disabilities. If we honor the love that LACAMBEL had for persons with disabilities, I request that we make this studio accessible to persons with disabilities, such that whichever programs or anything that as leaders and other community members would want to be aired over the radio, the voices get to the people concerned. Thank you very much. I thank you.
Thank you very much, members. Let me now